Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound during calls on your OPPO Find X9. So first, if you're in a call with somebody and it's an active call, then try changing your volume using these side buttons on the right side. So you cannot change it directly from here, you need to be in an active call, because whenever we go into the settings and then we go into the sound and vibration, we won't have an option to change the call volume. So that's why you need to do it while being in an active call. And after that, what you guys can do is go over into the settings again, go to Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is not turned on. So now it is, but now we can turn it off. And as you guys can see, this way we just ruled out any connected devices like our headphones, car, or anything else that is Bluetooth related. So now let's go over and let's talk about the earpiece right up here. You guys can definitely notice it. It's right below, sorry, it's right above my finger. And you guys can try and clean it with a soft brush. Maybe there's dirt inside and that may be blocking the sound a bit. And after cleaning it, you guys can try and test with another call or an app. So for an example, here we have the phone app. You guys can try and use the WhatsApp, or you guys can go with Instagram, Messenger, every single app that is out here. Now, after that, what you guys can do is restart the smartphone. So how to do that? You need to press the power button and the volume up button, and press, do not hold it, and swipe up to the restart. Now, all you guys have to do is wait, so I'll see you guys in a couple of seconds. Now, after the restart, everything should work. If not, then let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.